So for this running crisscross with a 360-degree hop, you begin by doing running crisscrosses. Here, I'm crossing my left arm over my right. So as I uncross the rope, my left foot is going to go on the ground, my right foot is going to go in the air. So my left foot is on the ground now. I'm crossing the rope with my left arm over my right. My right foot is going to go on the ground, a standard running crisscross. Uncross, alternate feet, left foot is on the ground. Now this time watch what happens when I cross the rope. I cross the rope while simultaneously turning my body with the right leg forward, and then as I uncross the rope, I simultaneously turn my body, all the while staying on that right foot, spin the rope overhead going backwards, hop over the rope, alternate feet, alternate legs, complete the turn, left foot is on the ground, let the rope come down and hop over it, stay on that left foot, and then begin running crisscrosses again. Left arm over right, alternate feet, uncross the rope, alternate feet. So the left foot is on the ground while I cross my left arm over my right arm. Right foot is on the ground, uncross, the left foot goes on the ground. Now this time, cross my left over my right, while simultaneously turning my body with the right leg forward. Right leg still on the ground, turning my body while uncrossing the rope. Stand on the right foot, right leg, and spin the rope backwards overhead while turning the body and alternating feet. Complete the turn. Let the rope come around and down. Hop over the rope, staying on the same foot, and then begin the process again. Crisscross. Left arm over right, alternate feet. So this is quite an advanced jump rope move, but once you get the hang of it, it is a lot of fun to incorporate into your running crisscrosses.